a day. Turn up the volume.
Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce.
Yeah. Ycee, got tricks in my sleep, boy, it feels like magic. Dope chick like me, got you feeling like an addict. If I leave you, boy, you know it's gonna be tragic. Dope chick like me, got you feeling like an addict. I am not the only one on you. Let me turn you a carrot to bonjour. I know everything that you're going through. Control Z, let me undo.
Hey guys, welcome back into my channel. Today I'm reviewing the Anastasia Riviera palette. It's one of their most colorful palettes that they have done so far. I'm going to try to bring a different type tutorial to you guys today. I'm not going to talk through this tutorial. I'm actually going to do my makeup and then at the end come to you guys with my review on this palette and what I think about this palette. It's just a little bit easier for me to be like a little bit more creative when I'm not sitting there talking through the whole time. And I like, so if you're interested in seeing the final look and hear my final thoughts, stay tuned to the end and let's get into this tutorial.
Baby girl, it's nobody business. You and I, we don't really need a witness. They don't need to know when we start, cause ain't nobody gonna be there when we the partner. They be trying to test, love, or pop it. They be playing games with your heartbeat. I don't even know what that's about. Trying to fit in when you should be standing out, look. And if they like me, then para. Baby girl, you the only one that matters. I'ma fight so hard for this love, I am not letting go. Baby girl, you know I know that. I am not the only one on you. Let me turn you a carrot to bone. You're not you no concern. You concern, yeah. But I'm black on a white, you no concern. Ooh, say what? No, I gotta think.
Just a tip, when you are trying to get in there, always raise up that eyebrow and, you know, blend that out. And get into your tear duct and softly. Don't bring it in too harshly.
I'll be a damsel in distress. Anything like me, then para. Baby boy, you're the only one that matters. And I'ma fight so hard for this love. I'm not letting go.
And with coastline, and I'm gonna like diffuse the top like this. You know, just going really soft, smooth, and just diffuse the colors, blend them together. No harsh lines. Always the trick right here.
You're not the only one on me. Let me tell you my G to bonjour. I know everything that you've gone through.
Actually going to tap in the color first to get the highest payoff. Ooh, look at the vibrancy of this color. I'm gonna tap. Curl it and then blow it out. And then you want to just go back on the top and then, you know, fuse those two colors, you know, together. Just blend that through.
Ghana girls go bum shaky your bum bum bum. Like in your package, feeling the package, making the boys go no. Anti-KG go down. Bend down, like say you dey sweep ground, oh yeah, broad your shoulders, girl, it hot like Yaji. The money they make me the way body, girl, it hot like Yaji. Money they make me the way body, give me the mama Africa, down to Tanzania, all the way to Australia, all over America. Yemi charge, only girls them body, big girls like God, big yash like nigga.
Owo Naija, Ogo Ori, Owo Saudi, Ogo Wena, Owo Kenya, Matiti Mata, Koye Gboza, Kulo Gbo Shaku Shaku, Oti wo Egypt, US, UK, in it, fine. Sasa mi gaija, iwo to ti le toast the bread, you know me toast the yellow.
Ghana girls go bum, shaky your bum bum bum.
Malaria no be STD. Green wa BTLCC. Go back down, me lock the EFCC. I want drop all of BC welder. Khaki no be leather. Slim case, Yemi, brainy anti release. Becca.
Oh yeah, wait, what's the matter? I chop the money, I chop the data. Send the yaza, chop the onions, I chop the suya. Monkey they walk, babu they shop. Monkey they walk, babu they shop. Ghana girls go bum bum bum, shaky your bum bum bum. Like in your package, filling the package, making the boys do no no no. Anti-KG go down. Bend down, like say you dey sweep down, oh yeah, bro, that show that girl hot like Yaji. The money they make me the way body, the girl hot like Yaji. Money they make me the way body, the girl hot like Yaji. The money they make me the way body, the girl hot like Yaji.
Because I really just got into what I was doing. I used Canaan's for the purple that I deepened the crease with. For in between the purple and the blue, I used Sales just to, you know, give it a little.
Legendary beats.
For the people that love me, for the people that got me, I see the way you support me, I'm thankful. Every day I dey walk, oh, make I no disappoint, oh, cause all you need is the love, oh, I'm grateful, I be you don't know, yeah, only me, oh, moyolu alogo, bad belle no dey see me, I don't make a the hustle don't pay now, for where I dey now, bad belle no dey see me, I don't make a they know my name now, but he answer my prayer, see bad belle no dey see me, oh, mo shorire, mo shorire, mo shorire, mo shorire. This hustle where I dey hustle, mama please say a prayer for me, so I can totally spoil you, shower you with the finest things, euro, arena, dollar, oya take o, you no go suffer, adura tigba, adura amabalo. Some people don't know, yeah, only rí mi o, mo yolu alogo, bad belle no dey see me, I don't make a the hustle don't pay now, for where I dey now, bad belle no dey see me, I don't make a they know my name now, but he answer my prayer, see bad belle no dey see me, mo shorire, mo shorire, mo shorire, mo shorire.
Bumi Dean, mommy.
Oh no.
You the fella? AMG, baby. Swap. Beyond control.
Can promise, yeah. Oh, we got Jode, who said, where we are my kumo, and nobody go break us up, oh. girl, I never see your type, oh. I never see your type, oh. Maybe I go, although I go. Baby, I never see your type. My girl, I like your vibe. For your love in a good time. Baby, I go, although I go. Baby, I never see your type. My girl, I like your vibe. For your love in a good time.
Mommy, yo, forget the suppose. Baby, I didn't wish a uniform. Too much class when she put it on me. Got me feeling like a unicorn. Wow, I need more of this soda. Fresh melanin girl, be like she from Volta. She said make I take her to the altar. She said make I know they play. I'm in your drug bar. What won't be that? I was blind, now you make I see the future. Baby, take a picture, make her put on Insta, put on Twitter. Make her show them definition of a diva. What? Your back like Blackish. Go, put her waist on rotation. Gaga, on points like punctuation. Baby, you deserve a standing ovation. No matter.
Although I go, baby, I never see your type. My girl, I like your vibe. For your love in a good time. Baby, I go, although I go. Baby, I never see your type. My girl, I like your vibe. For your love in a good time. What's it?
My final thoughts on the Riviera palette from Anastasia. I do think that this palette is a great buy. I realized this palette was heavily pigmented when I just swatched the colors on my eye at the makeup store without any like primer or anything, and I could make a whole makeup look. I was like, I definitely want this, because when it comes to colorful palettes on a dark skinned girl, sometimes the colors do not show up the way that they are in this pan, but the pigmentation's on point. The colors show up true to the pan. There is some fallout from this, but it's just the regular fallout. Fallout doesn't really bug me. So, and I am a collector of the Anastasia palette, so I'm kind of glad to have this part of my collection. I was watching like Jackie Ina's review on this palette, and she was talking about like, oh, like what would you do with the white color in my tutorial? I was like, what can you really do with that white color? And I do think that white color is actually a very good standout shade in here. I do think you, like, if you are a person who's like, I don't really know how to put eyeshadow colors together, like if you just put this first half together, that's a look. If you put this together, that's a look. If you put those four together, that's a look. So if you are like one of those people who struggle to think about like what color you're trying to put together in a palette, I definitely feel like the way it's mapped out is amazing. And the only thing, you know, is I am a dark skinned girl, and this is a cloth palette, and it's already kind of getting dirty, so I'm pretty sure by August this palette is gonna look as chocolate as your girl. So that's the only thing. It's not vinyl, but I think for right now, like, it's cute. I'm definitely probably gonna try to keep it in the box as long as possible to protect it, just because it's a white. But if you collect Anastasia palettes, or you have a couple of Anastasia palettes, you know that if you love that palette, it looks like you love that palette. So, but I definitely think this is a great buy. I think it's one of my palettes that will definitely be in my travel bag, just because you can mix and match a lot of these colors to create other looks. Especially because, you know, summertime is coming up, you know, like I'm about to be going places that is tropical or sunny. I gotta pull that look off, and you know, this would be a very good palette to pair up with other palettes. Please do not forget to thumbs up this video if you want to know what hair I'm currently wearing, and I'll do a full review on this hair for you and give you all the specs. And yeah, thank you guys for coming and hanging out with me and supporting my channel. It means the world to me. I appreciate you guys. I just want to give you guys a big hug, and thank you so much for staying with me and hanging out.